Hello everyone, let's see this particular question. So here the question says if alpha satisfies the equation x square plus x plus 1 is equals to 0 and 1 plus alpha to the power 7 is equals to a plus b alpha plus c alpha square, where a, b, c all are greater than or equals to 0, then we are supposed to find the value of the given expression. So since alpha satisfies the given equation, that is x square plus x plus 1, we can substitute x with alpha and we can drop it over here. So basically this x square plus x plus 1 is equals to 0 will look like alpha square plus alpha plus 1 is equals to 0. Now if you will see carefully, does it look like one of the property, one of the rule in complex number, that is cube root of unity? There we were having a formula, that is omega square plus omega plus 1 is equals to 0, right? So yes, we'll be using this formula over here, and apart from this we know omega cube value is 1. This formula also will be using over here. So let's substitute this alpha with omega. Okay, so alpha is equals to omega. This will be omega square plus omega plus 1 is equals to 0. Now the given equation, that is 1 plus alpha to the power 7, can be written as 1 plus omega, because we have replaced alpha with omega to the power 7, and we know 1 plus omega from equation number 1 or from the rule which we already know can be written as this 1 plus omega is nothing but 0 minus omega square, right? That is just minus omega square. So let's replace this 1 plus omega with minus omega square to the power 7, okay, which is nothing but minus omega to the power 14. Now the other formula we'll be using from the same cube root of unity. Omega cube value we know it is 1. So let's simplify this exponent 14 by using omega cube. So we can write it as minus omega to the power 14 can be written as omega cube, and we'll try adjusting the power as much as possible. That means 3 4 times 12 we can take. 5 times 15 we cannot take because we are having just exponent as a 14. Okay, so already we have adjusted the exponent 3 4 times 12. Okay, and 2 more will be there like this, right? We are using rule of exponent over here. Okay, now let's put the value of omega cube, that is just 1. So 1 to the power 4 into omega square, and that is just minus omega square is coming. Okay, this minus omega square we can write as, again from equation number 1 or from the formula which we already know, can be written as 1 plus omega. So basically this 1 plus omega to the power 7 which we were having initially got simplified, and we are having just 1 plus omega. Now let's drop everything in the left hand side of the given equation. The given equation was 1 plus omega to the power 7. We have simplified it and we ended up having just 1 plus omega. Okay, I am writing it with green color marker, C on the upper side. A I am copy pasting as it is, plus B I am writing as it is. Alpha is nothing but omega plus C omega square. Now we'll be doing the comparison on both sides. We'll compare the coefficients on both sides. So we'll be getting A as just 1, the constant term. B we are getting the coefficient of omega, that is again positive 1. And C is nothing but 0. Now we know our A, B, C. Yes, it is fulfilling the given condition, that is A, B, C need to be greater than or equal to 0. Now we are supposed to calculate this expression, that is 5 in bracket 3a minus 2b minus c. Let's put the value and do the simplification. So after doing the calculation we are getting 5 only from the given expression. So the answer is 5 for the given question. I hope you understood the explanation. If you are having any confusion, please comment in the comment box. Thank you.